Hey guys, I hope you can hear me. I'm trying to get new mics and everything, so right now you just got to bear with me on this. Try to upgrade the gear here and there as we go along. I just want to take a few videos. I'm gonna start working on the STI here. Rockingham or Import Face Off is coming to Rockingham, North Carolina in a couple weeks, so I got to get the car ready for that. We'll be down there. Other than that, I'll just take you along for the journey, and then we'll go from there. Hope you all enjoy it.
Step into the unknown, 'cause this is where dreams are born. Million miles away, but it still feels like home. In the land of heroes.
This is the way of my life.
You know what it's all about.
Mr. P.
Dedication and totality.
Time. It's running
This is
out.
the way of my life.
Like we live in a jungle,
I suggest raise your
full of brutality. Are you ready? Just keep your sanity.
time is running out today. Saturday, not every day. You have just blown away. Running, setting back again. Feeling sorry just for someone. You have just blown away. This is the way of my life. Time is running out. Waste your time.
Don't waste your time, don't waste your
This is the way of my life. Time is running out. Waste your time.
Don't waste your time.
This is the way of my life. Yeah, quick decision, no hesitation. This is the way of my life. Quick execution. Walking always night and day. Never get that job okay. You gotta find no way. Making the wrong step again. Walking through that hole again. You never learn this way. This is the way of my life. Time is running out. Waste your time.
Don't waste your time, don't waste your time.
This is the way of my life. Time is running out. Waste your time.
Don't waste your time, don't waste your time.
But there's still a chance to change, to bring us back again.
This is the way of my life.
No matter what happens, come back.
This is the way of my life.
Quick decision. Quick execution.
Keep moving on.
This is the way of my life.
Don't waste your time, don't waste your time.
This is the way of my life.
Don't waste your time, don't waste your time.
This is the way of my life.
Don't waste your time, don't waste your time.
Well, that's it for today, guys. I appreciate you helping me raise up the car a little bit and put the new emblem in the front. Next time, probably be detailing the car before we go to IFO. So we'll see you in the next one.